Trinity Maths, Scattergraphs of Bivariate Data. This is our destination. How do we get there? Close the Excel file. From Trinity Maths, select Statistics, open Scattergraphs of Bivariate Data. This is a macros-enabled Excel spreadsheet, and I'm looking for draw a scatter graph and line of best fit for movie box office. This is a randomly generated dataset. Each time I press the refresh button, I get a new set of 10 randomly generated XY coordinate pairs. Note this star gives an indication of the distribution of data and represents the correlation coefficient of the data points. If I wish, I can jump ahead to see what this data set looks like when plotted on labelled XY axes. This is useful if I'm particularly interested in a closely aligned or widely scattered data set. Let's choose this set of points. Back to the data table. You may make it a feature of your teaching of scattergraphs to find the mean point of the data. Here is the mean. It is the sum of all x values divided by 10 and the sum of all y values divided by 10. This is what the dataset looks like when plotted. Ask your pupils to plot them on a printed set of labelled axes which you can download from the Trinity Maths website. If you include the mean point in your teaching of scattergraphs, here are its coordinates. It is shown on the scattergraph as this red dot. Before we proceed any further, ask your pupils to visualize a line of best fit. The correlation appears to be moderate and positive, so we're expecting line of best fit to slope from bottom left to top right. Give your pupils a moment to imagine this line and then reveal it. Notice some points lie above the line and some points lie below. If you've chosen to plot the mean point, the line of best fit will go through the red dot. Now ask your pupils, find the total box office for a movie which on day one made £4 million. We begin by drawing a line from 4 on the horizontal axis up to the red line. Where it intersects the red line, continue the line horizontally to the left and read off where it hits the vertical axis. My guess is around 29 or 30. The computer's accurate estimate is £29 million. Next, given a movie made a total of £54 million, find an estimate for its box office on day one. This time we begin on the vertical axis, draw a line from 54 horizontally to the right. Where it intersects the red line, continue the line vertically down and read off where it hits the horizontal axis. My guess is 8.7 or 8.8. The computer's accurate estimate is £8.7 million. As discussed earlier, it's a positive correlation. My qualitative judgment is it's moderate. The computer's quantitative analysis gives a correlation of 79%. Finally, another analysis the computer performs is to represent the line of best fit as a formula. In this case, T equals 5.31D plus 7.99. How to find this formula and the correlation percentage may be something for your more able pupils to investigate or return to during their further education.